Shopify checkout page customization. In this video I will show you how to customize your checkout page. First of all, open Shopify and after that tap on online store from here, and after that on themes and click on customize, and after that from here we have two ways in order to choose the checkout page. You click on the home page from here and tap on checkout page from here to show up to you, or you can scroll down and tap on shop all, and from here scroll down and select any product you have, doesn't matter. I'll select this one for example, and after that scroll down and tap on add to cart from here and tap on checkout, and after that we show up to you the checkout page, which is this page. As you see, we have the name of your store, and we have the contact, and we have the delivery address, and we have the shipping method and the payment right here, and we have the total price right here of the product you added to the cart. I have 3 products I added to the cart. And after that, if you want to customize this checkout page and make it more professional, what you need to do is to head over and click on go to theme settings, and after that ignore all these options and scroll down until you find this checkout option. Click on it, click on checkout option and scroll down, and under checkout will show up to you the banner, and I will add banner to my checkout page really quick, and I will tap on select image, or I can explore free images from Shopify already set up for you. I will select image from here and I will upload any image I have. For example, I will choose this one and tap on done, and after that, as you see, we have it in the background right here, and after that scroll down and we have the logo as well. I will add a custom logo, or you can explore free images right here. I will add my logo, tap on select logo, and I will add this one for example, tap on done, and the logo will show up to you right here as you see on the right top corner of the checkout page. And if I scroll down, I can change the position of the logo. I will make it in the center or in the right, and from here the logo size small or medium or large. I will make it large, and after that I will make it on the right, on the left right here, and after that scroll down and we have the background image as well. I will select image real quick from here for my background. For example, I will select this one, and tap on done, and as you see we have a new background in the checkout page right here. And if I scroll down, we can change the background color, which is if I tap on it, and I can change the text color. As you see to black, I will change it to the black color, and after I change the background color of the text, not the background, this text, after I change the color of it to a black, I will scroll down, and after that I will make it transparent as well. If you would like, I will leave it on white, it is better. I scroll down, and from here we have the order summary, which is this background image, and I will change the background behind this order summary page, and I will tap on select images, select image, and I will select any image from here. I will select for example this one and tap on done, and after that we show up to you the image right here. And guys, as you see, we have a new background behind the order summary. I will delete it because I don't need it. I will tap on change and click on remove image, because like this will be more professional. I'll scroll down and you can change the background color of the font right here. I will change it to any color I would like, as you see. I will change it to pink or any color, and after that scroll down and we have the headings, and we can change the font right here, and we have this option as well. You can change it. I will leave it on the system. I scroll down, and if I scroll down from here we have the colors. And what does this mean? We have accents and buttons and errors. And if you want to change the color of the first option, what you need to do is you need to set up payment for your store. I don't set up payment for my store. In order to use these colors, I need to set up payment for my store, which is PayPal and Stripe or whatever provider you have. And after that you can change these colors, and you can change the button of this button. Pay now, you can change it to any color you would like. This button, he said, pay now. And the last thing I will say about the checkout page, which is very important, and we have the checkout layout. And if I click on one page, will show up to me two options. The first option, which is one page checkout, which is will be faster and shorter and checkout on single page, and I recommended this for you to choose the first one, which is one page checkout. And we have the second option, which is will be 3-page checkout, and this is will be long process. In order to buy the order and complete everything, I will choose the first one page checkout is better for you. And after you complete everything, tap on save on the right top corner, and after that I will show you how this page look like. I will tap on this little three dots and tap on view, and if I click on my checkout page from here, and after that in your cart, scroll down and tap on checkout, and as you see, this is my checkout page. If I scroll down, this is look more professional and better than before, but I did it in very fast way, and for you can make it better than this and more professional, definitely, because you have more time. And I did it very fast way, and that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.